New York City faced a blizzard as officials deployed more than 100 National Guard members and over 5,600 utility workers, with state of emergency declared and over 2,000 snow plows ready. The city extended travel restrictions. A non-essential travel ban was in effect Sunday night and remained into Monday, with officials urging residents to stay indoors and work from home when possible. The ban was lifted by Monday afternoon. City services adapted. Bronx Borough Hall and several court offices closed. NYC schools canceled for Monday with no remote learning. Bronx Catholic schools also closed. Doordash suspended NYC operations until noon Monday. LaGuardia canceled hundreds of flights. NYC Ferry operated on weekend schedule. Hundreds of flights canceled at LGA. DSNY said 99.3% of streets cleared in first pass. Crosswalks and hydrants addressed by emergency crews. The storm, with 2 feet of snow in spots, prompted hazardous travel advisories and power outage precautions.